Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can blend images on Canva. So I have this image prepared, but if you don't have any images you can also go to apps, then click on photos, and then here you can look for something for yourself. So let's say I'm gonna add this person as well, and then let's add this as a background. So I can right click this, then set image as background like so, and now we have these two people that we want to blend into the background. So what we can do for a start is select an image, go to edit photo, and then use a background remover like so. And then let's the other one, let's use the background remover as well. So now we have two people that don't have any background, and that's how we can pretty much blend them into each other, right? So we can even go to filters over here, and then we can try to use different filters in order to make it more suitable with each other. So if I want to make it, if I want to match it more with the background, I can try to use different filters, like let's say this one, right? Or maybe, I think it was this one before. Well, let's say this one, right? So now I can even resize it and then have it like so. I can select the other image, and then I can try to find a cool filter as well, let's say this one, and I can have them together like so. If you want to, you can also add more depth to the images. For instance, by using transparency, you can change the transparency of an image, and if you want to, you can click over here, transparency, and then change the value of the transparency of the selected image. And then we can create something like this, and then we can also move it to the back, send backwards so that this person is in front, and then we can have something like this. Of course, this is nothing really pretty, just to showcase that you can do something like this. So I hope you can create great images and blend great images together and create something fantastic. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.